Hello, saw your question. You're given f of x and you're given h of x. You want to find f circle h of 3. And so I guess, f circled h of 3, by definition, that's f of h of 3. So you need to find h of 3. So I come up here to do that. So here's h. You want to replace x with 3. So you put a 3 in there. So it's minus 3 minus 1. That's a negative 4. And so h of 3 is negative 4. Now you want to find f of negative 4. And so we got to go to the other equation and replace x with negative 4. Well, we got a minus x, so we put in negative 4. That's going to come out to a positive 4. So we put in a minus 4. Minus a minus becomes a positive 4 minus 1. So I get an answer of 3. Hope this helps.